welcome to my channel. If you were here yesterday, welcome back. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Today I'm about to go down to the pool and down to the beach over there. There's lots of people down there and lots of people at the pool. But we're about to go down there and, hang out, have fun, spring break things, Okay, see you when we get down there. Alright, I'm not down there yet, but I decided to do a little fit check. So, I have my swimsuit on right here. My shirt's on, my flip-flops. Don't look at my feet. Even though that's all you can see is my feet. But, yeah. No fit check. Got my bag on. It's actually my towel. Just turned into a bag. But, yeah. Out on the balcony. And see the people swimming and on the beach, So, yeah. I'll actually see you guys when we get down there this time. Alright guys, so we're at the beach. As you can tell behind me, there's lots of people. And there's Sanaa. And, I don't really like sand. But we're here. And we're getting settled down right now so we can go in the water and stuff, I was gonna bring my volleyball, but I decided not to. Because I'm kinda smart. I just decided not to bring my volleyball today. I'm gonna bring it tomorrow, so stay tuned in tomorrow's video. But, got my boogie board. And, ready to start swimming once they tell us we can go in the water. I'm gonna drop my whole boogie board. But, anyways, we're at the beach. I don't think I'm gonna record in the water. I might tell my mom or somebody to record when I'm in the water. But, we're at the beach. My dad's telling me to FaceTime somebody. But, I might tell my mom or my grandma to record me in the water because I'm not taking my phone in the water. It's a brand new phone. I'm not taking my phone in the water. So, look at what?
Looks like
and so now I just buried her foot in the water. I mean, in the sand. But, yeah. I'm not taking my phone in the water. So, I might tell my mom or my grandma to record me in the water.
yes, I'll be doing some recording for her, so it'll be good footage. I'm good at that.
So, yeah. Because this phone, too precious to be in the water. Brand new phone. Can't take it in the water. Brand new phone. So, anyways, I'll see you guys. Alright, y'all, so we're done with the water because, too traumatic. There's too much water, it's too salty. There's people out there on the boat, though. It looks like they're, tubing or something. I want to go do that. But, it's too much salt in there for me and Sanaa, so got a snow cone. Well, I got a snow cone. So my face is kind of dry because I forgot to put on sunscreen, so my face is kind of dry. just don't tell my science teacher. I forgot to put on sunscreen after we just had a whole lesson about how sunscreen is important. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when we get to whatever the next thing is. Probably the pool or whatever, but I'm just gonna stay here, eat this, watch TikTok, YouTube, I don't know. So, I'll see you guys with whatever the next thing we do. And, yeah. Y'all, just saw two making a TikTok. It was so funny. I kind of wanted to like jump in and be in it. I saw two girls do a TikTok. I kind of wanted to like, you know, jump in it. I kind of wanted to jump in it, be in it, but I'm not that type of person. If I don't know you, I'm not gonna jump in your TikTok, because that's just weird. If I know you, I will jump in your TikTok. I don't care what you think. I'ma just jump in. But like, that was really cool. Just watching people make TikToks. I might make one in the pool if you go to the pool. But bro, dude, that was weird. Imagine they were famous. But if they were famous, I got to witness that. But my family's over there talking about me and my cousin trying to do TikTok, but I'm all about that YouTube until we get back to Georgia. Well, if we go into the pool, I might make a TikTok, but if we don't go into the pool, I'm all YouTube until we get back to Georgia. If you're one of my friends watching this, it's not guaranteed that I'm gonna make a TikTok when I get back to Georgia, but I might make a TikTok in the pool. So if you don't follow my TikTok, you should follow my TikTok. It's in the description of the channel. But if you don't know the description, but if you haven't looked at the description of the channel, my TikTok, I might put it like somewhere down here, but I'll also tell you if I forget to. It's me and only me, Case 14. So you should go follow me, because why not? And if you don't, that's fine. Stay hating, stay mad. But anyways, if we go into the pool, I'll see you guys at the pool. But if we don't, I'll see you guys at whatever we do. You gotta go back to them. So we're at the pool now, and I got in for a little bit, but I just got out because it's not that interesting. So I might make a TikTok really quick, and I'll show you guys the rest of our day if we do anything interesting, which probably not. It sucks that last video was like almost 7 minutes, so I'm gonna try to make this one longer. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so got out of the shower a while ago, but my hair's still dripping. But I just ate some Wingstop, and now I'm just chilling on the balcony, you know, doing things, and looking at the beach, looking at the people down there. Not many people are down there from when we were down there. My tongue's full. But I mean, not many people were down there. Like, they were down there like before. But we were down there, not many people are down there now. Probably because it's like almost 5 o'clock. Or it probably is 5 o'clock. I don't know. I don't take the time. And we basically just had lunch, basically. And that was But those barbecues, I always get barbecue, and when I get them from like Stop or whatever, they're like spicy. Like I have barbecue, not spicy. They're covered in barbecue sauce, but they're spicy like that. Anyways, I don't think we're gonna be doing anything else for us today. This is basically like a vlog of what I did today. Obviously I didn't vlog that much at the pool because like we only were there for like 5 minutes. It's not like we were down there for long because we were out here at the beach like for like an hour probably. We were out here at the beach for so long, we didn't have much energy to stay at the pool, so that's one of the reasons why we're up here. We would probably still be up here right now if we had stayed at the pool longer. But that's not the case, is it? I'm probably be in the shower if we stay at the pool longer. I would either be in the shower or doing this. But the pool wasn't really that interesting. Not many people were down there. Not many people were down there at the pool now. And I'm looking out in the ocean. Not many people are down there. Like everybody's on the sand now. So everybody's in their room chilling or out somewhere. I don't know. Or they're just sitting out there on the beach. I hear children screaming, but those are most likely the children at the pool and not the beach. Because I'm looking out in the ocean right now, I don't see anybody. Well, I'm not a single person. There's not a single person out here, like out on the ocean, like there were when we were out on the ocean. There aren't many people out here. Like, literally nobody. Well, there's one person swimming down there. I have to, like, not neck and stuff, but there's one person swimming. But the rest is just plain ocean. To be honest, I wouldn't want to be swimming out in the ocean by myself. That would be kind of weird if I'm just in the ocean by myself, like nobody else is in the ocean. It's just plain ocean, and I'm just here by myself. But if we actually end up doing anything interesting, I'll let y'all know. Alright, y'all, so I'm back on the balcony. Well, I just got back from the walk. I'm strawberries with sugar on it, because I'm a sugar person. Don't worry, I don't eat everything with sugar. Just like strawberries and fruits if they're not like sweet. But I don't know if we're doing anything else tonight. But there's sunset. That's not the sunset, but I don't feel like getting up to check out the sunset. I'm sorry. But, there are a lot of people on the beach now. And strawberries is good. And my mom's out here with me, posting on her Instagram, Snap, one of the two. Facebook, for all those Facebook moms that watch me.
Really?
But yeah, she's trying to take pictures with the sunset. So Yeah.
It is.
Just watching the waves. The waves have gone low since we've been out there. Considering that my eyes, even though my eyes aren't red, but they probably were, and my mouth had to taste that salty water. But now the waves decided that they want to be low. That's great. They've decided they want to be low since we got back. That's great. Since we got back from the beach. That's really great. So, I guess the waves just wanted me to leave them alone. My hair is finally dry. As you can see, there's no towel on my head. Yeah, I'm just chilling with my bowl of strawberries and my mother behind the camera. She's not recording me, but like I said, she's trying to take pictures. No. Okay, but she's recording me on her Snap story that I can't have or I can't see. But I really don't because she doesn't let me have one, so I can't. But I've tried to make the Snap account like 3 times already. So,
Can you see that?
no.
Look,
It's not as visible as mine.
you can't tell?
No. Oh, no. Now I can. Excuse me, guys. Now I can.
Wow, Casey.
Excuse me.
Today.
My tan. It's like right here. Don't know if I can see that. It's my tan. And like
Tanning.
whatever this is. I think this is a tan. It's either my tan or sunburn. I have hiccups. It's either my tan or a sunburn. Because I forgot to put on sunscreen today. Again, don't tell my science teacher. Anyways, I'll get back with y'all if we end up doing anything interesting. But these hiccups need to go away. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all if we do anything interesting. But if we don't do anything interesting, then I guess I'm gonna close out the video. You'll see in the next clip, I guess. Y'all, so it's the next day, and I kind of forgot to record my outro for yesterday. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Another video will be going out. Well, I'm making another video today. Hopefully this one will be going up today. If it's not, it'll be most likely going up when I get home tomorrow or on the way home tomorrow. So yeah, hope you liked today's video. Again, like, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to see more content. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.